TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny and crisp, cool Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got a little bit of a mixed bag out here. The NDX 100 is flatlining. The semis are basically flatlining as well. They show up down just about 20 cents as we speak. But otherwise, you've got the Dow up 245, the S&P's up 21, Russell's up 17 points, gold's up $7, silver 26 cents, light sweet crude is up $1.19, natural gas having a tough day, down about 7% or 19 pennies. That did form a TD9 count yesterday, so no surprise on the pullback. Looks a little deeper than one would have anticipated. But let's go take a look at what these indices are doing here, trying to standardize for this update here on basically these 6 time frame charts out here. On the upper left, you've got the ES Mini. What is it doing? Well, right now, price is trying to trade up into resistance. Resistance is the top of a daily profile, and that's 37.11. And slightly above that, maybe about 7-8 points above that, is a rising trend line. That is resistance. Next to that is the cash indice for the Dow. Moving higher, heading up to a trend line that just simply, you can do this on your charts at home. I'm using the trend line off of the September 3rd high and then off of that little spike high on November the 9th. Price needs to close above that in order to really get its mojo. If you take a look at the gold contract, it did confirm a bear structured daily profile. So you can see support, the rising trend lines. You're looking at the very right-hand panel in the upper section out there. And resistance is the top of that profile at 1902, and just maybe about $5 to $7 above that is its descending trend line. The U.S. dollar index trading with inside its new profile out here. It has not generated a bottoming signal, at least not as of yet, and this looks to be just a counter trend rally, which could take price up to 90.93. Support 90.21, resistance 90.93. If you take a look at the T-bonds, they're pulling back to a trend line level of support. If they fail there, they're likely headed back to test the lows from June the 5th. Those lows are 170 and 30 seconds out there. And to round things off, we got light sweet crude. Light sweet crude earlier in the day pulled back. This generated a nice topping signal. We talked about that yesterday. But all price has done is pulled back to test support. Light sweet crude just consolidating between support at 46.07 and resistance at 49.06. Folks, if you're off to start your Wednesday, have a wonderful one. I won't see you tomorrow, but we'll be back on Monday. So have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and be safe.